Right, hello everyone. I'm Gonzalo from Apple Bay. I'm going to show you how to remove this shield. Some of you guys, they have some trouble doing it, or probably they are not using the hot gun, and it's really difficult doing it. So basically, I have like 3 or 4 pieces of aluminum tape. Try to get the thickest, not the thinnest one. And also don't use Kapton tape on the edges, because the Kapton tape sometimes they shrink about 300 degrees. It's quite hard to use it. Sometimes you put the Kapton tape on top of the components and they shrink and they pull the components apart. Basically, you just peel like that, put on the edge like that. Sorry about the camera, I use the iPhone, so I do as best as possible. And the other one there. That's it. Don't peel all the way, leave the back, so it will give you an extra protection. And if you are not 100% confident about the tape, put double. Again, just peel a little bit like that. And put it there. Don't worry about the ribbon. This ribbon, don't worry about that. Is sandwiched in between 2 layers of the motherboard or the PCB, so that will be fine. As long as you don't overcook it, it should be fine. And please don't say nothing about my nails. I was working on my van, so I got dirty nails. However, this tutorial is to show you what to do with the shield, not to criticize my nails. Put a little bit of flux. Same there. Same there. I'm just going to do one shield, so basically I show you the idea what to do. Take your hot gun, your hot station. I got my one at 6, I assume it's liter per minute, about 400 degrees, but don't put too close. Heat it up slowly, go all around. Heat it up even until get a little bit of temperature. Then you can attack a little bit on the metal. And that's it. Few seconds, very easy. Because you have the tape, it won't damage. It won't damage the screen, you won't get any discoloration. You can probably retin this one and resolder it back if you want to. But that's it, very easy. Yeah, job done. See you next time, bye.